Hey, it's Michelle Last, and a few of you have been asking if I would share my craft room with you, and finally I'm going to give you a tour. It's not quite complete, it's nearly there. I need things like blinds and or curtains and pictures and just finishing touches, but I'm pretty happy with the result. This has taken 4.5 weeks since we moved in, but this is my main desk area. Miss Pippi is here looking at the window and barking at a noise. So this is my main desk area, and I've got a little L shape. That's my view out of my window, which I love, looking at those trees. And I had my joiner Andy has built me these little tower units to go on my desk for storing all files and things, because even though my room is bigger, it's a really different configuration. So I brought my Besta units from my old office. They're from IKEA with me. They store so much in them. They're not very deep, they're 20 centimetres deep, so they're brilliant for storing things. So that's got mainly my craft non-essentials in that I don't need to grab quickly. And I still use my Raskog cart for all my die cutting. I've got a IKEA kitchen bench and island, and I've got 2 bar stools that I had at my old house, so that I can actually craft with 1 or 2 other people. This is my big contraption for filming things, in case you're wondering what that is. And then this is I call it my Moniker Wall, because it's the wall like Monica Gale has got, who inspired me to get one myself. So on the right here, this is just Billy bookcases for DVD storage or CD storage, and the joiner has made shelves just to the right here to fit my 12 by 12 albums. These are also IKEA units. This one is a bespoke one that he made for me to fit around the radiator, because I've got a radiator in the room, and so we fitted, these are Kallax, and they have the Creations by Rod units in them, which fit all the bespoke Stampin' Up supplies. And so I've got all my punches and card and ribbon and inks and pens and ink refills. Thankfully they do fit the new ink refills that are coming from Stampin' Up, so that's brilliant. I've got my 12 by 12, my stamp cleaners, my background stamps, my scraps of card, more stamps, lots of stamps actually, wrapping paper, little cubby there, and my photo boards are tucked down the side. More 12 by 12 storage. Then I've got the island unit has got all my essentials, so my grid paper, my trimmers, my inks, my blocks, and that's the view out, looking out that way. I've got my picture frames here that need something putting in them and ready to go up on the wall. And then this door here goes out to the garage. My husband's made me some more storage to put just outside that door of things I don't need very often. That is the boiler cupboard. So I haven't got anything Stampin' Up related in there, but it's a nice warm cupboard. Then I brought my old postal unit from my last office with me. This is an IKEA one with a rolling door. And Andy, the joiner from AC Joinery UK, has made a little unit here to fit that. So I've got my envelopes and things in there. I even have a TV. First time I've ever had a TV in my workspace, and it pulls out on an arm so that I can watch it from when I'm crafting. Obviously I wouldn't have it on any other time. This cupboard was already here, and I was going to get rid of it, but I'm really glad that my sister taught me out of getting rid of it, because it holds so much. So you know, all the things that you need but just don't need on a daily basis, they're all rammed and hidden away in that lovely cupboard. So it means that it's not messy and untidy, and it means I can close the door and say goodbye. And then it means that I have a little helper or some company if I need, if Pippi wants to come and spend some time with me in here. I've got my little samples up there on the top of my Besta unit, and all my embellishments, catalogues ready to send out. And yeah, I'm going to put some pictures up on this wall, or some quotes, or some just really important inspirational things for whilst I'm working. And that's a quick tour. I hope you enjoyed watching with me, and yeah, and yeah, I feel like I've won the lottery. So I hope you love it. All right, thank you. Bye bye.